The bathroom with much bacteria, so health is a key point. The innovative UV lamp automatically sterilizes after closing the lid, effectively inhibits the growth of viruses, and protects the health of the family. Wisdom Sterilization Smart Toilet, creating the healthy and comfortable life. Radar sensor automatic flipping with the human body come closely. Foot sensor automatic open seat ring very conveniently for men. Foot sensor again automatic close the toilet lid and automatic flush. The seat is thermostatic heated, makes the king feels more gentle. Intelligent control knob, easy operation. Buttocks washing, female cleaning, warm air drying, automatic flushing and deodorizing of the seat. IPX4 waterproof and anti-leakage. Warm night lighting.